governing an exciting event going in Constantino Gover Court in Marilao, Bulacan. ACLC College of Mikawayan is having their intramurals right now. So let's see what's happening here.
As you can see now, we're watching the motorcade right here at Constantino. You can see what color of team is passing us right now, and we're going to prepare inside the court.
And now we'll watch the video of the cheating competition still happening right there in Constantino Gover Court.
And now, here's Jessa Revilla for the live interview at ACLC College of May Kawayan.
Good morning everybody, I'm Jessa Revilla and I am here to interview Miss Maricar Saragosa about the last event in this school, which is Intramurals 2010-2011. So here's Maricar Saragosa to answer the question. So Miss Maricar Saragosa, what can you say about the last Intramurals 2011 specifically in the cheering competition? I think they did their best, they performed well. So, very well said, that's all. Thank you.
Another report from Miss Jessa Revilla live at ACLC College of May Kawayan.
Once again, I'm Jessa Revilla. I'm here to interview some red teams about the Intramurals 2010-2011 held at the Constantino Gover Court last February 10, 11, and 12 this year. So here's Miss Lizelle. I am here to ask her about her opinions on what happens there. Miss Lizelle, what can you say about the competition?
Yung sa cheering, halatang
you, Mr. Sider Dayaw.
So that's it, everyone. Stay tuned for more news later here at your number one news channel, TV1.